Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to roll a covered call using the Fidelity web platform. So I got to the screen, hovering over the accounts and trade tab at the top and clicking trade. This brought me into this screen here. You may have to select, that you want to trade options, but once you do that, depending on whatever position you currently have, like I have a TSLL position, nothing crazy, and I have some smaller, very small positions that I'm just starting to build out. But for example, this TSLL covered call, roughly have right around $100 in this account at Fidelity. So if we wanted to roll this covered call, it's expiring this Friday. So you'll select, whichever position it is, you will click buy to close. So that will exit our one position that we have. So then there's another row that pops up here at the bottom, and pretty much it's just going to be, this is the actual order fill. So you'll have to click add leg right here. What we'll want to do then is click sell to open, one call, select that call option, and then this is where we select what expiration we want to roll our new position into. So if we just rolled a week out, we can do that and then select the strike. We'll just roll it out and up. So it's currently trading around $12. Actually, we'll just keep it at 13. So you can see currently the 13 call expiring this week is worth somewhere between $16 and $15. That is the current going price as of close today. And then the one for next week is somewhere between 36 and 39. So if we want to, we can roll this out, buy to close this position, and then sell to open this new covered call. And what that's going to do, it's going to give us $22 extra or more premium based upon whatever you got in. The price of this call option, you're either going to be at a profit or it's going to be a debit. So in this instance, it's going to be a net credit because next week's option is worth more than the option expiring this Friday. So all you have to do is click review order. You can see it's going to be a 50-cent fee. And click preview order, and then that's going to pretty much show you the breakdown of this trade. You're buying to close this August 1st, $13 call, and you're selling to open a new position August 8th, a $13 call. You'll click place order, and then that will queue up the order to be executed the next time the stock market is open. So I hope this was helpful. This is a quick demonstration of how to roll your covered calls on the Fidelity platform. Very simple platform to use. This is their web version. So if you're using the mobile app, desktop app, it may look a little bit different, but this particular view I've noticed is very intuitive and very easy to use.